This is a journey to the Rhine Falls in the canton of Schaffhausen, Europe's largest plain waterfalls. Can you imagine the shots we're gonna get? I'm excited to fly the drone, but more so to show you this incredible feature of nature. But there's one problem. It's -5 degrees. This might not be the best time to go stand at a waterfalls. I might turn into an icicle. But I've been waiting for a long time for the sun to break the clouds so that I can fly the drone, and I'm not going to miss this window of opportunity. -5 means the road may get slippery, so I'm taking the train, as you might have already noticed. I'm using the S8 turbo train. It runs from St. Gallen all the way to Schaffhausen, which drives along the beautiful Lake of Constance. It stops in every village, or almost all of them. So if you're ever in the area and want to visit the Rhine Falls, check out your chances with turbo. There are other things that happens when it gets too cold, but I'm yet to find out, and so are you. I've never been to the Rhine Falls with the train, nor have I done this excursion all by myself. The last time I was here was about 5 years ago when I took my mom to see the falls. So being fully in charge of my navigation, I mistakenly went on a 25 minutes walk through the forest instead of a shorter path with a paved track on the other side of the river. Hey guys, this place is, I've been walking probably almost 30 minutes already. It's freezing cold, -5, and it's slippery. I'm scared I fall. Look at that. I don't, look at that, it's so slippery, white. Oh, but we're getting there. We're almost there. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna fall. After that long tour through the forest, I was almost there. Man-made structure and nature unite to treat us, and this is the result. But I'm not getting distracted. I need to fly the drone before the sun decides to leave us. So I made my way across the bridge on the side that I should have been in the first place, and made my way down the falls to find the perfect place to take off. I found a nice spot in front of the now closed restaurant, which has a beautiful view of the fall. Today is my lucky day. I am sure I will have no disturbance. I almost could not believe it, given the nature of the society I live in. You know when you plan to do something or go somewhere and you have that feeling that you've left something? Well, I didn't have that feeling, so I was pretty confident that I'm gonna get everything working. That's until I checked my phone battery. Okay, so I use my phone to monitor the drone flights. I left home with a full battery and did not expect to see 12% battery life on my phone. But in the true spirit of determination, I decided to give it a try. So I set up the drone, took off, and this is the footage I got. And then after literally seconds, the phone went blank, screen blank, everything blank, and the drone came down. I almost couldn't land it because the phone went off and you have to land it using the phone. But I think there's some mechanism inside there, so it landed automatically by itself. Yeah, and that's how this video turned out to be a story because there's no drone footage to show. But in every story, there is a lesson. And here's what I took away from this situation is that you can never be too prepared. I mean, I made sure all my batteries were charged, phone, drone controller, and yet still I get there and my phone battery died. So I was puzzled as to what had happened to my phone. Why did it turn off? I had a low battery power, but I could have still flown with that amount of battery power. But why did the phone go off? Well, my phone has a LCD screen, which means liquid crystal display. I've read somewhere on the internet that the liquid in between the screens can freeze below a certain temperature. But I've also read that the LCD does not really mean that there's liquid between the screens. So I'm not really sure what to believe. But I think I believe the first point that the liquid actually froze. And that's why my phone went blank. Did you know that? Did you know that this happens to LCD screens in -degrees? If you did, drop in the comment section. If you didn't, still drop something in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this story or if you like this style of video, let me know in the comment section and I will create more. Until next time, guys. Bye.